I gotta tag Tippin. Here's her son outfit.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another hair video, and today's hair is provided by Westkiss Hair. Now they sent me over a cap, a bonnet, lashes, edge brush, the melt band, the hair packaging, and of course the wig itself. Now this is a 26-inch body wave wig, and the wig does come pre-plucked to perfection, and the hair does come pre-curled. This is a highlight wig, 13x4, full parting space. And today we'll be doing a install on Miss Love and Hip Hop Miami cast member VONSHAE. And y'all, I was so happy she agreed to do this YouTube video because we did a slay, honey. So let's give you a little bit, background. I started working for Love and Hip Hop Miami behind the scenes as a hairstylist, and initially, my first a cast member that I work with is Zoe Brinks. And after slaying Zoe Brinks a few times, your girl VONSHAE DM me and like, listen, I need you to be my hairstylist too. And boom, we are here. So today we were on set behind the scenes of Love and Hip Hop. And earlier today, I had did her green screen style. And I was like, you know what? She did want a highlight wig. And I'm like, oh my God, Westkiss just gave me a highlighted wig right on time. And I said, would you mind being recorded for YouTube? And she was down for it. So, boom, here we are. And of course, her face is beat to the gods. Shout out to my makeup artist, Pixie Beats. Y'all know she worked here in the shop at BH Studios. And my girl be slaying. We as a dream team, honey. Together, we get the girls snatched, okay? So, jumping straight into this tutorial, I went ahead and braided her, did her cap. Pixie did her makeup, and I did apply a level 15 foundation on the inside of her lace. And now we're adding 3 layers of my lace matte adhesive to her skin and cap so we can go ahead and get this wig laid. And based on what you see in the beginning of this video, we will be doing a side part with some nice little body curls for the girl, okay? And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get to it.
So I guess I can't complain. But I don't feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping they gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept. Yup, she got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there. I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year, what it cost me to live. Don't hold it, just say what you feel, but watch your mouth before I fly at your bitch. To a place that she didn't know exists. Mediterranean water, my wrist. She be no piss, how I'm talking my shit. 6-figure check for a show, man, I'm lit. Let's celebrate in my bag.
And now that we have all of the layers down, I'm going to go ahead and lay the lace into the glue and blow dry it on the heat setting for a few seconds, just combing that lace in. And then of course I'm going to go in with that melt belt and tie down that lace and let that sit for a few minutes. And then we're going to remove it, cut the extra lace, tack down any other hairs that is still, lifting on the edges, and pull out the section for the baby hairs.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know, but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? Come more, my killers don't tell. Chateau Mama, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get to know me, baby. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know. You do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime.
And you just want to make sure that you do take your time and tack down all of those edges so you can make sure that the wig is lasting as long as it need to. But as I mentioned, guys, once I finish tacking down all of the edges on this lace, I will put down my baby hair section. And I am working with one side at a time like I normally do. So I cut the lace off one side and I'm just going in and tacking it down. And then I would do the same thing to the other side as well, as put down the baby hairs on both sides before spraying down their hairline and tying it down with the melt belt for the second time. And now I'm just cleaning up the side part. I kind of pre-parted it already before doing the install initially. So like my part was kind of already in place and I just got to, you know, perfect it and make sure it's super neat. But now it's time to remove that melt belt, and I'm going to go ahead and comb out my baby hair sections, cut them, curl them, and swoop them up. On the side where the part is, I did do, you know, 2 baby hairs with the little swirly in the middle, so it's really like 3. But on the other side I just did 2 because honestly we're not even going to see the baby hairs on that side anyway, so it's no need to, you know, go all exotic on the other side. But I'm just taking a little bit of that wax stick in my hot comb, making sure everything is nice, sleek, and neat. And then using the even holding spray, I will swoop my baby hairs into place.
Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping they gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept. Yo, she got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there. I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year, what it cost me to live. Don't hold it, just say what you feel, but watch your mouth before I fly at your bitch. To a place that she didn't know exists. Mediterranean water my wrist. Keeping them pissed how I'm talking my shit. 6-figure check for a show, man, I'm lit. Let's celebrate in my bag, legit. These niggas with me with whatever I'm with. Didn't know who did it, got everybody hit. Bitch, I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial. How you wanna go back? How you wanna do it? I don't backtrack, man, fuck that. I don't miss nobody. Left it on scene, I ain't right back. I don't trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. These bitches will cry and be lying in your face. Slicker than us, gotta know how they play. If the money went straight, she won't be here today. Ain't that man, sure know what to say. You ain't me, so it's hard to relate. What? How much cash I fuck off every day?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What do you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know, but she too down.
And now that I have baby hairs complete on both sides, now I'm going to go ahead, guys, and take my razor comb and just razor the front a little bit for layers. Just the front. I didn't go in throughout the whole wig and add layers. I'm literally just going to add it in that front area right there, just going down diagonal just a little bit in that front area because I didn't want to chop too much of this wig up, especially because I know she really wanted a highlight wig and we're probably going to do another look with it. So I just raised it on both sides in the front only, and then everything else I'm just going to go in with my T3 curler and just curl everything away from the face on both sides, starting with the front bang area.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
just some me time. myself? I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
I testify for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't cry, I'm scared. I'm not. Long as you joking, now it's for me. I ain't got it. My bitch skinny do it. Hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry over spilled milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two. I'll war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you prove better than you do. Call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want.
And now I'm just curling up the rest of the hair. I did the whole right side, the back, and I'm just finishing up here on the left side. And once I'm done curling this left side out, I will go in with my wig brush and brush all of the hairs up. Not the hairs, but brush all of the curls out. And you guys will get into the finishing look. Of course, I'm going to go in, make the parting space more defined with some foundation in the parting area. And I also did go in with my jet black dye pen to, clean up the parting area as much as possible without having to use any black spray. So stay tuned for the finished look. She looks absolutely gorgeous. I love this look. I wish we was filming when we did this look, but we did the filming earlier that day. But, whatever. It's going to be more looks to come. This is just the beginning. So this is my first official day working with her, and we've been working all day creating looks. And yes, I just love it, love it, love it, love this style. And I'm just happy that she's decided to try new looks and new colors, especially while recording for this show. And I'm just able to just do me and just have fun with what I do. So make sure you guys are tuning in to Love and Hip Hop Miami. Shout out to my girl Zoe Brinks as well. Okay, my girl be killing it. Y'all know Zoe be rocking her red and blue, so we be doing looks for her as well. That's my baby. And I wouldn't be here without her, presenting the girl the opportunity. That's what happens when you stay genuine and stay loyal and loving. And what I'm saying, just be yourself with your clients. And you just never know how they could turn around and bless you back. So, yeah. Nevertheless, I'm done with the baby hairs. I'm done curling it. I'm just touching up a little areas to make sure it's really neat and sleek. And boom, we gonna comb these curls and get into this final look, y'all. And the crust is popping. Here is the final look after the comb out. Y'all see my girl was feeling herself. I just gave her a quick touch up on the gloss, okay? My girl went live. She had to show the world this look, okay? But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Super pretty highlight curly body wave wig, sorry y'all, from Westkiss Hair. Make sure you check out the description details and the coupon codes down below. Bye.